where we have Indian tribes, Aboriginal tribes, Native tribes, as you want to call them, weak. But the way I look at it,
turning waste into something valuable.
First, please welcome the yellow to homeroom teacher.
We see the plastic bottle bins outside all the walls. We recycle plastic.
Or taps left running. We created a master tap of all fixtures.
Those molecules in our atmosphere which keeps us warm. Okay.
Before you leave the classroom. Come on, powerful. Okay?
Over 100,000 marine animals die yearly from plastic ingestion alone. 36.5% of fish caught for human consumption contains microplastics. And 19...
This one, since 2008. What goes in here? So I don't need a plastic bag. I bring my own carton.
So my first question is, what is the contribution of Earth for you? Raise your hands.
And explain different concepts that we want throughout the lessons.
We work together to break down each question clearly and make the ideas easier to understand.